What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you or we'll be discussing with you OneMain Financial BrightWay credit card. Is it right for you? So, you might be wondering if the OneMain Financial BrightWay credit card here is great for you. Well, obviously there are going to be a few things that you need to know and you need to understand before you actually get one and if it's actually right for you. So there's actually two versions here, which in this case is going to be the BrightWay and the BrightWay Plus. Now, when you visit OneMain Financial website here, you'll see that they currently offer two versions of the card. Now, like what we said, the regular BrightWay and the BrightWay Plus. Now, the main difference here is the annual fee. So, BrightWay here, which is in this case the standard version, comes with an annual fee. Now, BrightWay Plus, there's no annual fee for it, but you typically need a higher credit score to qualify for this one. So if you don't have that great credit score or don't meet their credit score requirement here, you can still get the BrightWay or standard version here. But if you have a better credit score, well, BrightWay Plus is going to be something really awesome that you may want to try. Now, on the other hand, they're pretty much similar here. So they both offer up to $2,000 in credit limit and also a 1% unlimited cash back on all purchases, which is kind of awesome. Now, that 1% isn't groundbreaking here, but it's not bad for a starter credit card, especially one focused on credit building. Now, who is this card for? Now, the standard BrightWay card is meant for folks who are new to credit or who've hit some bumps and need a way to rebuild their credit. Think of it as a stepping stone here. It's not flashy, but it's functional. On the flip side, if you already have like decent credit, you're better off applying for the BrightWay Plus to skip the annual fee. Now, how does this exactly build your credit? Now, one of the card's standout features is how it rewards your good credit habits. Like, for example, if you make consistent on-time payments and manage your usage well, you can unlock things like a credit limit increase or a lower APR interest rate in as little as like 6 months. Now, it's kind of like leveling up the more responsibly you use the card. Now, the better your terms can get over time. It's a smart way to give you some motivation to build strong financial habits. Now, obviously, we discussed the perks here. What are the catch or the things that you may want to look out for? Now, like what we said before, the standard version isn't free. You'll pay the annual fee, and while the rewards are okay, they're not exactly going to blow your socks off. The card is more about building your credit, not earning tons of points or cash back. Now, if you're still wondering, is it actually worth it for you? So, the OneMain Financial BrightWay credit card might be worth it to you in some way. So, if you're someone with credit history or you've had trouble in the past and want a clear, structured way to build your credit, then yes, this card could be a solid option. Just keep in mind that you may have to pay an annual fee unless you qualify for the Plus version, and you won't get crazy rewards as well. And it's not meant for people looking to rack up tons of cash back or airline miles here. Now, it's a tool, not a perk machine, and if you use it responsibly, it can generally help you improve your credit situation. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.